Today I'm gonna make ice cream for you people. Today I'm gonna make the strawberry ice cream, or cherry ice cream I should say. I have my vanilla here, my Cool Whip, and have a little cherry juice with a little cherry in it. My condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk, my little spatula, my whisk, and a little machine. All right, got that out of the way real quick. So let's go with this. Have this open up. Right. What I'm gonna make it in the same container because I don't want to make a mess and keep transferring. Because when I transfer, it's like I'm losing a lot. So I'm gonna use it in the same container that it comes with. First, I'm gonna whisk it a little bit. You know, just to get it around. Right? Then I'm gonna add some my vanilla. Add like a teaspoon. Teaspoon of my vanilla right there. Then I'm gonna go ahead again. Right? I don't want to do too much of that because I'm gonna keep doing it after eventually. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit of my cherry and do it. See a little cherry fall out of it, and then I'm gonna go in. Right, that's my little spoonful more to let it get a little bit more color and a little more sweetness to it. Now I'm gonna add my condensed milk. Just pour a little bit in. I should say about a cup. I'm just using eye measurement right now because I don't want to be too sweet and I don't want it to be too fresh. So a half a cup. So yeah, because what happened is the cherry is already sweetened, so you don't want to do another extension of sweetening. So I'm just gonna put it into flavor a little bit. Right. What you can also do, you don't have to, but I'm just gonna put a little bit in here, a little bit of my sugar, just about a what's it, a half of my confection sugar. You don't want it to be sweet, too sweet. All right, add a little tip more vanilla because the more ingredients you add, the vanilla, you're gonna lose a little bit of vanilla flavor. Just a little tip, baby, right there. You want a little flavor in it also. What you can also do is add a tip of salt to it if you want to. You don't have to put a little salt in it. Just if I say salt, all right, I didn't want to use any salt, but what I'm going to show you is just a tip of salt. The tip of salt that I'm going to use is just like shake. You understand? Not too much salt. And I'm going to do this all over again. Get it even out. Right? That's it. Bacon coloring red. So what I'm gonna do, spray. I don't want too much color. You know, I don't want it to be too pink or too red. And then I come to the top a little to let the top get even out. But you don't want it to be splashing all over the place because it will. But I just want to get everything mixed up. Now look at that. See that? Alright. So you can taste to see how sweet it is or fresh it is. If you can add whatever you want to do. Add to it. Right? Alright. There's my ice cream. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get ready to put it in the freezer. Right? So I'm gonna use, you can go ahead and you can cover it just like that. But what I want to do is to keep moisture in and everything. I'm gonna wrap. I'm gonna use my wrap, the plastic wrap, just like this. You know, you want to shake it to let it even out a little bit. Yeah. Just like that. Right? I'm going to add my lid back on. So you save container, right? You can always put it in any other container like that has a lid on it, you know, so that you won't make a mess or anything. So I'm now going to put it in my freezer. I'm going to let it stay there for about 7 or so hours. Right? 7 or more, probably 24 up to 24 hours. So there you have it, my strawberry ice cream. I'm going to show you the finishing touch as soon as it's done. All right, guys.